Hey guys, it's Matt, welcome to Speed Tutor, and it's this time of the year again where it's getting really close to Christmas, so you know all the savings are going to be coming around for Black Friday, all the New Year, all the Christmas sales, and that's no different for the Unity Asset Store, and they have their Black Friday sale, which actually began on the 14th of November 2021, and it does finish on the 4th of December, and you can get access to over 500 of the best and most popular assets across the store. They will be 50% off across that sale, but also with this specific sale, they will be doing their lightning deals, and lightning deals consists of really big discounts of up to 90% for a limited number of users. So when a lightning deal appears on the store, 20 of the licenses are available at 90% off, 50 at 80% off, 400 at 70% off, and then once all those have been redeemed, it will go to a 50% off for the duration of that sale. And there will be new lightning deals launched every single 3 hours throughout the entirety of this sale, so be sure to check back or maybe favorite the ones that you want to check to see if they're going to come on sale. So this is just a quick one to make sure that you check out the Black Friday sale, and this has all your game's design needs, whether that's fully featured character controllers, characters, sound effects, weapons packs, low poly systems, UIs, and so much more. Be sure to check them out. Be sure to let me know what you think of this sale, and if you manage to pick any up, come and join me on Patreon to get access to over 115 different scripts and projects, all from my tutorials. Come and join me on Discord if you want to chat. Check out my great assets on the Unity store, and thank you so much to all the patrons for supporting the channel, and thank you to everybody who subscribes. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe too. Cheers.